Hi friends, I'm so happy to see you today. It's time for circle time. Hello, hello, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Hello, hello, what's your name? My name is... Awesome! Now we can do our calendar. We'll start with our days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Now we can do our month song. January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November and December, 12 months of the year. Woo, woo! Okay, my friends, now it's time to count the days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and today is number 14. Awesome job! Circle time is all done, all done, all done. Circle time is all done. Now it's time for play. Bye friends, I'll see you tomorrow.